adventure.
So we are at the La Fortuna Waterfalls. We're crossing the bridge right now to go get some food. We're causing traffic. So this is actually our food tour of Costa Rica. We're actually going to be seeing any nature today. We're just eating food. Okay, so this is watermelon salad, tropical ceviche, and this Rio chicken. I got a mango, strawberry, pineapple smoothie. We got some cafe con leche, cafe frio. This chicken was roasted on coffee wood planks, literally right there in that little pink hut behind Jess. So this is the La Fortuna Waterfall. Since we're in the rainforest, we're in a cloud right now of rain, so it's very hard to see. Time to hike the waterfall with the girlies! I'm so excited to get down to this waterfall and just let it wash over me. I think that's one of the guided tours we could have been on, and we decided to do it ourselves. Yeah, I'd rather not be on a guided tour. Oh look, 300 steps from reaching the goal.
Oh, guru sloth.
The guru sloth.
Guys, we have to keep an eye out for sloths and monkeys.
Go Dora, go! It's kind of cold, but kind of refreshing. Up.
Feel the burn.
Feel the burn. This is how we maintain the booties that we have, ladies and gentlemen. We made it! Back to the top. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous girls at a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous place. As Jess would say, it's Gorgina.
It's Gorgina.
And we are off now to our Airbnb in Tamarindo. We are going to go ziplining, horseback riding, tubing. So I'm super excited, and I'm super thankful to have spent the time here in this beautiful rainforesty volcano jungle haven. And that concludes my trip to Arenal and La Fortuna. like, subscribe, come hang out with me. See you guys in the next video.